Hi, today I'm going to make this very pretty Shaker Rakhi, Mickey Mouse shape, which any child would love to have. Materials I'm using are, this is a gold metallic sheet, paper, this is glitter foam sheet, a red colored glitter sheet, and this is an OHP sheet, a thread, some beads and some mixed sequins. I have made out a cutout of the Mickey Mouse face. You can download it from the internet or just draw it yourself. Now I have taken the gold metallic sheet, just turn it over and I'm going to trace it on this. And now I'll just cut it out. So this is how it's going to look. Now I have taken that the outline that I've made on the paper. So I'll just sketch another line on the inside of this stencil. So try to follow the outline. Like this, and now I'll just cut it out. So this is how it's going to look. Now take the foam sheet and I'm going to trace it on this. Just use a pen. So I'll trace the outside and the inside of the template. Like this, if you can see. And now I'm just going to cut it out. So this is how it's going to look. Now I'll just stick this on top of this with glue. So just apply glue. And stick it on top of the golden face. Like this. Now take the template again and cut it, make it thinner than it was from the outside. So just like cut along carefully. This thin. So this is how it's going to look. Now I have taken the red glitter sheet, the paper, and I'll just turn it around and trace it on this. So this is how it's going to look. And again, take this again and put it on the OHP sheet and trace it with a sketch pen. So I'll just do that, and you just need to trace out the outside, not the inside of the Mickey. And I'll cut it out. So this is how the OHP sheet would look. Now I'm just going to put some sequins on the first Mickey Mouse face, the one with the black base, just a little. Like so. Now take the OHP sheet First just apply glue on the black foam sheet, just on the edge, on the inner edge, like this. And stick this cutout of the OHP on it, sealing in the sequence, like so. So while it's drying, I can stick the red one, so apply glue on the reverse. Like this, and stick it carefully, keeping the black outline in mind. So this is how it's going to look. While that is drying, I'll just make the string, prepare the string for the Rakhi. So just take any thread. I have this golden thread. You can use a ribbon if you wish. And I'm putting these beads on the ends. And just tie a knot first on one end so that the bead doesn't come out. Just check it doesn't come out. And on the other side of the bead. So it will just hold the bead in place. Like this. So I'll do the same for the other bead. Now I'll just take the Rakhi. See, it's making that sound, so that's why it's called the Shaker Rakhi. And turn it over. Put some glue on the base. Put this thread right in the center. And I've cut out a piece of paper, so just stick that. And this is how the Rakhi would look. So any kid would love to wear this and hear the sound. And this is how it's going to look after it's finished. A very pretty Shaker Rakhi.